This obstacle is rounding up virtually every physical training you've had here. From 5 kilometers to 10 kilometers to 20 kilometers dash back. All your morning PT, everything is put together in this obstacle. And it is one important aspect of your career that I don't want any of my recruits aspiring to be a young soldier to miss. We have lost soldiers in the battlefront because they don't have endurance to maneuver obstacles. Time might come when the gap between your life and your death is the ability to just cross a wall like this. If enemy is taking advantage of you in battle. Those of you who will be able to cross without help quickly will be saved.
The company's team leader should step forward for the ballot.
Foxtrot Company 8.
Golf 10.
Golf Company 10.
India 6.
India Training Company 6.
9.
Juliet Company.
Hey! On your mark. Set. Hold on. That's good. Move. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Right there. Let's go. Yeah. Go. No touching. Let's go there. Oh yeah. Vamos. Get your head into the back wire. Go.